Guys, so the pearl capper, thank you to Sophie for 3D scanning that pearl from Danny Fong. I need the other ones, please. Okay, what this will do is you throw the mesh inside here. You can pick a resolution of pixels. How it's working is, think of it like a project. It is doing something very, very similar to a project. It's using ray casting to cast rays. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Um, so the resolution is how many points we're going to make this mesh out of. So more resolution equals closer surface following. Voxel size I recommend to leave there just because of mesh size. Thickness is the thickness of the cap itself. So you can have a thinner cap and a thicker cap. All right, and the cap height is like how long or how short the cap is. All right. It can make more sense once I start rotating this guy around. So it'll automatically fit itself onto any shape that you throw underneath it. All right. So if we make this cap bigger, smaller, you'll see that it's following the shape of the pearl. All right. So the voxel size, if you decrease the voxel size over here, you're going to get a much closer resolution to the pearl. But you need to then also increase the number of original pixels we started with. All right. The idea is to quickly get to a cap that will fit the pearl perfectly, and this will do the job. All right. Because it's ray casting, any undercut areas are not going to be an issue because rays don't see the undercuts. All right. So in other words, if this pearl had a hollow area in here, if you made a cap that fitted that hollow area, you'd never be able to put the cap on. So this is like it's a top-down view with no undercuts using ray casting. And then okay, so just what you would do is you'd 3D scan the back of the pearls, you'd pop them in there, and as you pop it in, you'd automatically get a cap that best fits the item. I mean, you're going to get some weird shapes. You can try a weird shape like this. I don't know what you're going to get. Oh, it works. Okay. All right, so I'll drop that in our chat, and then you guys can start the process for making the caps for the rings. Okay, cheers.